Two of the biggest names in insurance go head-to-head, but which one actually gives you more peace of mind? On the left, the famously quirky Geico, and on the right, the reliable, trusted Nationwide. Let's put the commercials aside and focus on what really matters. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who takes the win. The outcome might just surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We'll compare these two on price, coverage options, digital experience, customer service, and financial strength. I'll share the quirks, the wins, and even some of the weird downsides. Ready? Let's start with what everyone wants to know first: price. So when it comes to price, Geico is kind of famous for their savings, right? Their rates are seriously competitive. In fact, most drivers will see Geico come out among the cheapest providers. Just keep in mind though, some of those juicy discounts can be a little limited depending on your state. Now, with Nationwide, you do get good multi-policy discounts and features like the vanishing deductible, which sounds fancy, but here's the thing, their standard rates are usually a bit higher. It's like you want the deals but they make you work for M, so if saving is your main goal, Geico sweeps this round. Let's talk coverage options. Geico covers all the basics, of course, and they toss in some unique extras like mechanical breakdown coverage, which is honestly super useful if you plan to keep your car a long time. But if you're looking for that ultra-custom, specialty vibe, Geico's a bit more cookie-cutter. Now with Nationwide, they actually offer all sorts of specialty add-ons. We're talking classic car options, accident forgiveness, even gap insurance, which is kind of a lifesaver if you're leasing. Plus, they make bundling your home and auto a total breeze. Downside: sometimes those fancy extras cost a bit more, but overall, Nationwide totally owns this category. Digital experience: this one's fun. Geico's app, it's honestly one of the best out there. You can make claims, manage your policy, it's all smooth and easy, which is awesome if you're not into phoning people. The only catch is, if you want that personal, in-person vibe, you might miss having more agents nearby. As for Nationwide, their website and app do the basics pretty well, and they actually have local agents that can help you even with digital stuff. But their app, it can be a little clunky at times, definitely not as fast to update as Geico's. So for digital vibes, Geico's taking the win again. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Geico actually started off just for government employees? Like, you literally couldn't get a Geico policy unless you worked for the government. Wild, right? Okay, now on to customer service, because cheap rates mean nothing if you can't actually get help, right? With Geico, you get a huge support network and claims are processed lightning fast, but their customer service scores are a mixed bag. Some folks say it's great, others not so much. Plus, fewer local agents if you're someone who really wants face-to-face help. Nationwide, on the other hand, actually gets some applause for their claims satisfaction. People love their local agents, so you kinda get a more personal touch. Only downside, sometimes their call wait times can be all over the place depending on where you live. Either way, for service that feels more personal, Nationwide has the edge here. And finally, financial strength. This is one of those things we all hope we never need, but it totally matters. Geico's got the A++AM best rating, which is basically top of the class. Nationwide, A+ rating, which, let's be real, is still super solid. Both are rock steady, crazy reliable, and definitely not going anywhere. So honestly, you can't go wrong here. It's a tie in this round. So if you're super visual like me, picture it on a radar chart. Geico scores huge on price and digital experience, Nationwide flexes on coverage options and customer support, and it's neck and neck when it comes to financial strength. Here, how I see it. If you want to save the most and love doing everything with a few taps on your phone, Geico is a no-brainer. But if you care more about personal service, specialty coverages, or you're planning to bundle your home and auto for max value, Nationwide is going to feel just right. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe or follow so you don't miss the next one.